A variety of industries rely upon the power of steam, but throughout extensive systems of piping lies a costly concern: steam traps. Up to 20% of generated steam is lost due to leaking steam traps. And worse, without a regular trap maintenance process in place, 10 to 30% can fail each year. Unaddressed failure adds a considerable drain to operating costs and can result in expensive downtime, shutdowns, employee harm, legal exposure, increased CO2 emissions, or even an explosion. Unfortunately, with limited resources and hundreds or thousands of sprawling traps in difficult-to-access locations, it's clear how challenging and costly manual inspection can be. That's why many are turning to automated sensors to report critical information, but today's wireless sensors require batteries. And that means replacement costs that force you to simply trade one maintenance event for another. Until now. The Shoplogix platform enables a complete and continuous monitoring solution. Our game-changing self-powered sensors run entirely on harvested energy, removing the need for batteries and maintenance. Installation couldn't be easier. Attach the system in minutes without any tools or invasive connections. Now sit back while Shoplogix sensors wirelessly transmit insights to your customer dashboard, where you can view status reports, receive alerts, monitor costs, and schedule work orders to dispatch personnel only when and where they are needed. So, forget about painstaking audits and battery maintenance and deploy our cost-effective solution today. Visit us online to learn how much you can save.